I didn't go home. It is Tuesday. I had to take my mom to the doctor up in Abilene, so I came back to the lake to do a little bit more fishing this evening. It's about 5:30, 6 o'clock, and I figure, well, caught a pretty good sized crappie. Got real close to catching a 4 or 5 pound bass, and let's have some fun. Let's see if we can catch something. Let's do it. We're going to use what's called baby shad, little baby shad right there on my little crappie rig. But that little rig has caught the lake record bass. Now we're talking. Now we're talking. Just had a big one hit it. Fishing my bait and everything. That must have been fast. Alright, we got another one. Just a little bit smaller. A little bit smaller. Try to get it. Try to get it back. There's another one. Oh, just had another hit right there. Smaller hook, so we should have a little more luck with this one. Right there. You're liking that baby one. You're liking that color, liking that shad. We are in business. We are in business right here. We're going to get something. I can charge you wherever there's something. Crapperonis. That's one. I got one down there. And this is the hybrid crappie too. The black hybrid crappie. These things get huge. Ouch! These things get really big. Those little hybrids, the black strap. There's one. I bet we get to 10. Oh, missed it. Had it. Had another one right there. Alright. It's going to get fun. There's another little hit. There's a bunch of them little things in there. I got so many of these little ones. Wait till next year. Wait till next year. That's 3, actually 4. This one will be a full pound. That one will grow 6, 8 inches. That's a good one. Let's go catch some more. Catch a big one. There we go, right there. There's another one. Tell me we don't have a bunch of crappie in here. You know what I mean? Bunch of crappie. These crappie are going to grow. Just need a little hook for some big old crappie. Boy, there's small ones, there's big ones. There's a ton of them. I get a bite every time it hits the bottom and I just pull it up a little bit. Right there. There's another one. See ya. Wouldn't want to be ya. Get on down in there. Get on down in there. Get on down in there. She gone. How many do you want me to catch? How many do you want me to catch? What's that, 4, 5? Sunfish. That old sunfish, he swallowed it all the way. If you guys want to catch baby crappie, Bobby Garland, baby shad. Binga Jenga. How many do you want me to catch? I don't know, we'll count. There we go. See, this is what it's like crappie fishing out here normally, but these would usually weigh 2 pounds, 2 pounds, 2 ounces. They'd all be right in that 2-pound area. I think Brad and I one time caught over 200 in like 2 or 3 hours, and every one of them were like huge. That may be the smallest one yet. Smallest one yet. I wonder how much she weighs. That is a monster. That is an absolute monster right there. She got to weigh an ounce or two, right? Come back! Hey, hey! Hey, hey, come back! Come on now. Oh! Come on over here! Come on, God! He's a fighter! Oh, landed it! Hang on, sweetheart. Hang on. We don't want you to. Pound and a half? How about that, huh? This is so much fun. God has truly blessed us. Let's keep going. See, those bass are down there feeding on them crappie. Why our crappie get so big? We have so many shad in here. They just feed on those shad. Catch them all day long till dusk till dawn. Look at that. Another one. I'm thinking next year on July 1st, what today is, I'll do another video and see if these are like a pound bigger. There's a little hybrid. Little hybrid with the black stripe. I've lost count. I was going to say I'm going to catch one more, then we'll try it on the outside here to see if there's a bass hanging out. Another little hybrid. Let's try it over here. We know they're over there. Let's see if there's any bass out here. You know what? What's the #1 rule in fishing? You never leave fish to find fish. Right? The golden rule. Pretty good size though. Another one bites the dust. I'll see you at the house.
Holy moly! I think it's raining! Whew, my goodness. I didn't know it was going to rain like that. We can always take rain here at the L&M when we can get it. And it seems like this year the good Lord's blessed us pretty well. That is the most crappie I've caught in a year and a half. Year and a half. I don't know how many there was. I'm going to count them up on the video, but I tell you what, L&M is coming back, baby. God has truly blessed us. We're patient. I'm an optimist. Always think of the positive in everything. That's the best fishing experience I've had in over a year. I want to give away a crappie fishing trip. I'll invite 3 subscribers and 3 of their friends to come here and go crappie fishing and bass fishing July 4th weekend 2026 right here at L&M Mlakeandgolfretreat. We can play golf, we can crappie fish, and then what's going to be fun is seeing all those big crappie. You've seen how many I caught, and they were like that. They're going to be a pound, pound and a half next year. So we'll have a catch, clean, cook, July 4th, 3 subscribers, 3 of their friends. Thank you guys for joining me for this video. It was epic, fun. It doesn't matter how big you are, right? Just so you catch fish. And we caught a bunch of crappie, I don't know, what, 10, 15, maybe? We'll see. I'll count them up when I edit it. 12 months, 365 days from right now. 3 of my subscribers and 3 of their friends. Come and have a great weekend at L&M Mlakeandgolfretreat. Love you guys. God bless. And we'll see some of you in 12 months. Bye.